Most teams keep their documents in one app, their tasks in another, and their data somewhere else entirely. By the time everything is connected, half the day is gone. Kairos Connect changes that. A document management module as flexible and powerful as Notion or Confluence, but built directly into your workOS. Every document in Kairos lives alongside your projects, your team, and your data, never in a silo. Attach forms, embed page content, nest documents inside documents, embed live databases with table, gallery, board, calendar, or timeline views. Filter, sort, and paginate across hundreds of thousands of records without any performance drop. And when it comes to AI, Kairos doesn't just suggest, it acts. Ask it to translate, refine, summarize, or fix mistakes. Add a chart, a table, or an image based on your content. Or go further. Point it at multiple documents and a spreadsheet and ask it to generate a 5-year sales forecast or a full business plan. It reads, it reasons, and it delivers. Need to bring in existing content? Import from Word, Markdown, spreadsheets, PDFs, Notion, Google Drive, or OneDrive, single files or in bulk. Our AI parses each file and restructures it automatically. Then search across everything, even inside your PDF attachments. If the keyword is in there, Kairos finds it. Collaborate in real time. Leave comments on a single word. Share securely with external viewers. Export to PDF with pixel-perfect output. This is what documents look like when they're part of a real workOS. Kairos Connect. Your documents actually working for you.